Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to add subtitles to your TikTok video without using any third-party apps. Alright, so first things first, open up your TikTok app. You can either record a new video directly in the app or upload one from your camera roll by tapping the plus button at the bottom of the screen. For the best results with auto captions, make sure the audio in your video is clear and your voice is easy to hear. Once your video is recorded or uploaded, you'll be on the editing screen. Look on the right-hand side of your screen for a toolbar with a bunch of different icons. You should see an icon labeled Captions. Tap on that button, and TikTok will automatically start transcribing the audio from your video into text. The app will work its magic, and in a few moments, your captions will now appear on the screen. Now, this is the most important part. Proofreading. Auto captions are good, but they are not perfect. The app might misunderstand some words or names. Tap on the captions to bring up an editing menu. You can then tap the pencil icon to fix any spelling mistakes or reword anything that's incorrect. Once you have made sure your captions are accurate, you can customize them to match your style. That's it. Once you're happy with how everything looks, just hit done and your captions will be permanent part of your video. You're ready to post. This is a great way to make your videos more accessible and engaging for everyone. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.